Good evening, Harsha.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
class. Just wait for 2 minutes. Let the other students also join the class and prepare for the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today is your oral test. From the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
week, we will be going to start the new chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Good evening, Niharika.
Good evening, ma'am.
Niharika, make your video on. Niharika,
1 minute, ma'am.
you are not audible to me.
1 minute, ma'am.
I think no other student is going to join the class today. So, Niharika, today you can discuss your doubts regarding the chapter 1 and chapter 2 with me. We can have the one-to-one interaction. Otherwise, we will do the previous year questions of both the chapters. And from tomorrow, we will be going to start the new chapter.
Ma'am, can you explain the soda part? Like the washing soda, the baking soda?
Niharika, can you please be a bit louder?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you explain the washing soda part? The washing soda, baking soda, all of the.
Yeah. Preparation, you know that how to prepare?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. First is baking soda. What is the formula for baking soda or baking powder? Anyone that you know? Preetham, make your video on. You
Ma'am,
can also ask the doubts in the class.
baking powder is NaHCO3.
Baking powder is NaHCO3, correct? My baking powder is NaHCO3 and I know that it is basic in nature. NaHCO3 is a base,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes.
अगर कोई भी चीज बेस है, it means it is bitter in taste. Correct? Now, if we add baking powder in our food, okay, if we add baking powder in our food to get it fluffiness or crispiness, तो उसका टेस्ट कैसा हो जाएगा? बिटर हो जाएगा because it is a base and bases are bitter in taste. Correct? Getting me, Harika?
Yes, ma'am.
So to neutralize the effect of this base, what I do, I add acid so that the taste of bitterness gets reduced. And that acid is mild acid. क्योंकि strong acid डालेंगे तो वो हमें harm करेगा. So that's why we add mild acid. That is tartaric acid. And when we add acid into base, then we get baking soda.
Ma'am will get a baking powder from baking soda.
Just wait, huh? Just wait. Let me confirm it once. Yeah, correct, Pritam. We get baking powder from baking soda. Niharika, you was wrong. NaCO3 is a baking soda, not a baking powder. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, now you understand that what is the role of acid?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, what happens when we add NaCO3 is my baking soda, and when we add H positive into it, what we get? When we dissociate it, it get released into water. It produces carbon dioxide, and as I am adding H positive ions, means acid I am adding, so it will release sodium salt of acid. Clear? This is a concept of baking powder, baking soda. Next is washing soda. What is the formula for washing soda?
Ma'am, Na2CO3 dot
Na2CO3
times
dot
2.
10H2O. This 10H2O is free water molecules in the washing soda. Matlab, these are not joined. If they are joined, then my washing soda will be in liquid state. But as it is the free water molecules, so that's why my washing soda is solid in state. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is my washing soda. Any other doubt, Niharika, regarding this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Pritham, you can ask me the doubts from chapter 1 and 2, whatever you have, because after today's class, I am not going to take the doubts of chapter 1 and chapter 2. We will
Ma'am,
be going to start the third chapter.
ma'am, when will the washing soda be means in liquid state or solid state?
But a washing soda is in liquid, solid state only.
Okay. Ma'am, when it combines with water molecules, it will be in liquid.
Yeah, when you dissolve it in water, then it gets converted into liquid state.
Okay.
Not in a liquid state, at that time you will get a solution where you are dissolving solid in liquid.
Ma'am, and
जैसे हम
when
सॉल्ट और वाटर को हम डिसॉल्व करते हैं भाई सॉल्ट इज सॉलिड इन नेचर ना
ma'am, and what is the role of acid in our stomach?
सॉरी
Ma'am, what is the role of acid in our stomach?
एसिड इन आवर स्टमक
Yes, ma'am.
बेसिकली डू यू नो अबाउट पेप्सिन
Yes, ma'am.
हमारे स्टमक में कुछ सिक्रीशंस होते हैं जिसमें HCl भी होता है
Ma'am,
पेप्सिन भी
sorry,
होता
ma'am.
है एंड म्यूकस भी होता है राइट
Ma'am, I'm asking that what is the role of hydrochloric acid? Sorry.
आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस थिंग सो दिस पेप्सिन इज इनएक्टिव इन नेचर उस पेप्सिन को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए हमें एसिड की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है एंड दैट एसिड इज secreted by our stomach. So that acid activates the pepsin to carry on its function. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt that you want to ask, Niharika, Pritham?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am, what is water of crystallization, ma'am?
Because water of crystallization are the free water molecules that are present in a compound. मतलब अगर हम बोले कि एक हमारे पास वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होता है जो completely हमारा क्या होता है बॉन्डेड होता है एक होता है हमारा फ्री होता है कि वो जस्ट जुड़ा हुआ है बट वो बॉन्ड नहीं बना रहा है सो वो फ्री वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होते हैं दैट आर द वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन यूनिट्स like in Na2CO3 we write dot 10H2O means 10H2O is not bonded with Na2CO3 it is only present like दूर दूर से हमारी बातचीत हो रही है जैसे क्लास में होते हैं ना
Okay,
दो बच्चे होते हैं बॉन्डिंग एक की अच्छी होती है और कुछ बच्चे कैसे होते हैं लाइक दूर दूर से हाय हेलो हमारा होता है ऐसा होता है इन द सेम वे वो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो दूर दूर से है बस ठीक है अगर वो चले भी जाएंगे तो इतना ऐसा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा ऐसा फर्क वो होता है basically free water molecules that are present in a compound.
okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Make your video on. Varun, Preetham and Niharika, your video should be on. Any other doubt regarding chapter 1? Chapter wise we will complete. Doubts from chapter 1 first you can ask. If you have any type of doubt from chapter 1. You can look after your book also. If you find any doubt then you can ask.
Ma'am, once
Because
can I tell,
after this basically chapter 1 and chapter 2 should be on your tips.
ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, once can I tell what is hydrous and anhydrous?
Huh?
Ma'am, once can I tell what is hydrous and anhydrous?
Uh, just wait. हाइड्रस इज बेसिकली जब भी हमारा किसी भी कंपाउंड में वाटर होता है when water is present in any compound then we say that it is hydrous in nature and जब वो water evaporate हो जाता है remove हो जाता है then we say that it is anhydrous means in dry state.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what is chloralkali process, ma'am?
Chlor-alkali process, beta. We have done the preparation of caustic soda. Caustic soda means NaOH, right? And how we prepare NaOH? We prepare NaOH with the electrolysis process of NaCl. Correct? So when we do electrolysis, basically we are providing water. So जब हम NaCl को water के साथ react करते हैं, then we get chlorine gas, hydrogen gas and NaOH. Correct? Now NaOH is a base,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
NaOH is that base that is soluble in water. And water soluble bases are called alkalis. And also my chlorine gas is releasing. That's why I call this process as chlor-alkali process. Basically, it is the process of preparation of caustic soda, that is NaOH, from NaCl.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Niharika, beta, you can also look after your book. If you find any doubt, then you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you also explain displacement reaction, ma'am?
Yeah. Do you know about metal reactivity series?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Uh, Ma'am,
Katrina,
potassium.
how you have learned it?
Ma'am,
Huh?
I just multiplied it, ma'am.
Okay, tell me that what is reactivity series? Tell me. Then I will tell you a trick that how you can easily learn it.
Okay, ma'am, ma'am, K, Na, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, ferrous. Ma'am, I remember. Tell that.
देखो, let me tell you a trick to learn it. हाँ? यहाँ पर हमारा क्या होता है? It is the most reactive. It is the least reactive. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You can learn Katrina Kaif. You all know, na? Okay. Rina, Cat, Rina, Mange means Mg, Alto, Zinc, Alto, sorry, not Zinc, Zen. Zen is a car. Ferrari. Katrina Mange, Alto, Zen, Ferrari. Clear? फिर भी हाई क्यों मिली? कैटरीना मांगे ऑल्टो जिंक फरारी, फिर भी हाई क्यों मिली? सिल्वर गोल्ड। समझ आया कुछ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
इससे आप लर्न कर सकते हो। आई थिंक ये लाइन आप इजीली लर्न कर सकते हैं। अब डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में क्या होता है बेसिकली? कोई भी मेटल जिसकी रिएक्टिविटी ज्यादा है, सपोज मैंने एक कंपाउंड लिया AB प्लस C. वरुण लुक ओवर हियर बेटा. इफ दिस इज
Yes,
माय
ma'am.
रिएक्शन, अगर C का रिएक्टिविटी या तो A से ज्यादा है या B से ज्यादा है, तो C क्या करेगा, उसको हटा देगा इसमें से. अगर C का रिएक्टिविटी A से ज्यादा है तो माय प्रोडक्ट विल बी दिस वन. अब C ने क्या किया, इसको डिस्प्लेस कर दिया अपनी जगह से, राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल दिस रिएक्शन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. अब रिएक्टिविटी कैसे चेक करेंगे, रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज की हेल्प से चेक करेंगे. सपोज आई एम हैविंग MgSO4 प्लस Zn. Zn का रिएक्टिविटी Mg से कम होता है, तो Zn इसको डिस्प्लेस नहीं कर सकता, सो नो रिएक्शन विल बी देयर. बट अगर ये ZnSO4 होता और ये Mg होता, आई नो कि Mg का रिएक्टिविटी Zn से ज्यादा होता है, so Mg will displace zinc. So my reaction will be what? It will be MgSO4
Yes, okay.
plus zinc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt that you want to ask?
No.
Nehit, Varun, Niharika.
Ma'am can explain about
Abhyun.
this soda acid fire extinguisher.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am can explain about soda acid fire extinguisher.
Beta, where you have read it? Is
Ma'am
it
can
in
It is
your
a
explain, ma'am.
syllabus?
it is a use of baking soda.
Is it in your syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Soda acid fire extinguisher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a uses of baking soda.
Yeah, it is a use, but in detail it is not so. But let me tell you. Basically, soda is my baking soda it is. Okay. Acid means you take acid over here, that is H2SO4. Soda acid fire extinguisher is a mixture of baking soda and H2SO4. And when we react, as we all know that NaHCO3 is a base, right? And we are reacting it with the acid. So what we will get? We will get salt plus water. Acid plus base reacts to give what?
Ma'am, salt plus water.
Yeah, but in this reaction, what happens? They will react and it will produce a carbon dioxide gas because we are having NaHCO3. Clear? And that carbon dioxide gas that is released helps in fire extinguisher. Clear? It
Okay, ma'am.
releases carbon dioxide gas, it releases water, and it also releases sodium sulfate, that is a salt. And that is used to extinguish fire. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Abhyun, Niharika, Nehet, Pritham, Varun,
No, ma'am.
all
No.
doubts has been cleared
Yes,
for both
ma'am.
the chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you few questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me a minute. Just tell me what will be the product when zinc reacts with dilute HCl.
Ma'am, zinc chloride plus some hydrogen.
What is observed when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated?
Ma'am, it turns solid.
Huh?
Ma'am, it loses its water molecules.
Yeah, what is the color of ferrous sulfate when it has water
Ma'am, green.
molecules? And what in what color it changes when we heat it?
Ma'am, it is not there in textbook.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is not there in the textbook.
It is not.
There in the textbook.
No, ma'am, it's
It is
there.
there in the textbook, beta.
Ma'am, it is of copper sulfate. Not
No, copper sulfate is blue in color. That's why
ma'am,
we call
in
it
the
as blue
textbook it is
vitriol.
mentioned that copper sulfate color is white when it loses water molecules, but there is no ferrous sulfate.
Same with
FeSO4
ferrous sulfate,
7H2O,
beta.
ma'am.
Ferrous sulfate is
Ma'am,
green vitriol.
yes, ma'am, FeSO4 7H2O.
Yeah. Why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? मैग्नीशियम रिबन क्या करता है? ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करके इट फॉर्म्स मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, राइट? तो मैग्नीशियम रिबन क्या करता है? अपने ऊपर एक लेयर बना लेता है, दैट इज अ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. So to burn magnesium, we have to remove this magnesium oxide layer. That's why we always need to clean it before burning.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Why we clean it?
Because magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. अगर मैग्नीशियम ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है तो वो क्या करेगा? नेचर में जो ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है उसके साथ रिएक्ट करेगा एंड इट विल फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. No, it is not a magnesium ribbon. It is a magnesium ribbon with a layer of magnesium oxide. So when we need to burn magnesium, we have to remove this layer of magnesium oxide. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
That's why we need to remove it. What will be the product when quicklime reacts with water?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, hydroxide plus
Huh?
ma'am, calcium hydroxide.
Okay. And when calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide,
Ma'am, CaCl2 plus H2.
huh? What will be the product when carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide?
Ma'am, CaOCl2 plus H2O.
No, we will get CaHCO3 का whole twice.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes,
Calcium hydrogen carbonate.
yes, ma'am.
Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of dry litmus paper?
Ma'am, because it doesn't consist of H plus ions when it is in dry state.
Yeah, because HCl doesn't release H plus ions when it is in dry state. Name the acid present in curd. Which acid is
Ma'am,
present
lactic
in
acid.
lactic acid? Why should curd not to be kept in copper or brass vessels?
Ma'am, because it reacts with acids and forms poisonous metal compounds, so that it is harmful.
Yeah. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder?
Ma'am, calcium oxychloride.
What is the formula?
CaOCl2.
I think I am taking the test of only Pritham, right? Abhyun, Nehit, Niharika, you all are sitting blank. Only a single student is answering all the questions. Why? Niharika, make your video on. Nehit, all please make your video on. You all are also there in the class now. Why are you not answering the questions? Only Pritham is answering all the questions. आप लोगों को बोर्ड का एग्जाम नहीं देना है क्या? You just have joined the class for like parents ने बोल दिया तो हमने join कर लिया. Is it? Niharika, is it so?
What, ma'am?
Beta, I'm asking the questions and why are you not answering the answers? Next answer will be from Niharika. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water?
Ma'am, the water becomes milky.
Okay. What will be the product between calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide? Just few minutes back we have discussed the same question.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, what is the product formed when calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide?
Is it
Ma'am,
CaCO3?
Ca?
CO3.
ma'am, calcium carbonate plus H2.
It is CaHCO3 whole twice.
Ma'am,
We
you
have
asked
discussed.
calcium hydroxide.
Yeah,
Ma'am, then it will be calcium carbonate.
no beta. It will be calcium hydrogen carbonate. When we provide excess of carbon dioxide, then we will get calcium carbonate.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. In textbook, it is mentioned that excess carbon dioxide means it is calcium hydrogen carbonate.
Okay. Name two acids and two bases which are used in everyday life. Name any two acids that you use in everyday life.
Ma'am,
Pritam?
for acids we use vinegar, and
Yeah.
in fruits there's acid like or like
Which
citric
acid is present in vinegar?
acidic acid,
Okay.
and in fruits there's citric acid.
All right. Well, I think that your both the chapters has been covered. Now, from tomorrow onwards, we will be going to start the new chapter. Okay.
Yes.
Make sure that all of your camera should be on during the class. Otherwise, whosoever has not the camera with them, then I will remove.
Ma'am, which new chapter tomorrow?
Chapter third,
Can we start carbon and its compounds?
it is chapter fourth, I think. Chapter third is metals and
Mm,
non-metals, na?
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Can we start chapter 4 now?
Why?
In my school, we're doing chapter 4 first and then chapter 3.
And what about others?
Number chapter 3 is there for exam, for half yearly exam.
We have chapter 4 for exam, not chapter 3.
Abhiyan, when you will be having your exams?
Friday.
On Friday, you will have your exam.
Yeah.
Okay. And Pritam,
Ma'am, Monday.
in a single class, we didn't complete either the third chapter or the fourth chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can't start the chapter according to your exams because chapter takes time to get complete. Clear? So we have to start it according to the board
On.
exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will go chapter number wise. We will start with the chapter number 3. Abhyun, you can do you have any knowledge about chapter number 4, carbon and its compound?
Yeah, I just wanted like doubt clearing session just in case.
Okay, so we can you can ask the Manisha ma'am for the doubt clearing session. I will take your class separately.
Okay.
Okay, then I will clear your doubts.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
okay, madam.